Hello friends, my name is Ramasu. Today we shall discuss about topic the Agile Developer Certification. Friend, today's topic is very interesting, especially if you have interest in development, software development, Scrum framework, project management, and you want to increase your knowledge. You want to pursue your career in the field of Agile and Scrum. So let's start, friend. Friend, first of all, we have to understand that what is the purpose of certification, why it's important to clear any certification. Friend, basically, certification is a way to recognize your knowledge about some domain, so that the whenever you go for any interview, whenever you apply somewhere, so you first of all you have some validation from any body, for example scrum.org or a Scrum Alliance, that you have appropriate knowledge about that domain and you are the perfect or appropriate choice for that particular domain. Friend, we do the certification through which our knowledge will increase about the domain, our recognition should be increased, and it adds a value in our CV as well. So these are the few reasons that's why we move towards the certification. Now, if we talk about particularly about Agile Developer certification, first of all, we have to understand that this certification based on Agile. Agile means the Agile is basically a methodology in the project management. That means we divide the work into multiple chunks, and on an iteration basis we deliver the work to the customer. Now, developer is basically a software developer. Okay, software developer means the person who is related to software developer, so development. So that is why, so that means this is the certification which is agile, that means iterative, incremental, and software development. So these are the two things this certification belongs to. Now, if we talk about in the Scrum framework, we have three main roles like product owner, Scrum master, and the Agile development team. So one of the role is the Agile developer. So for that particular role, Agile developer, we have a certification that is called as the Agile Developer certification. This certification is provided by scrum.org as well, Scrum Alliance as well. So many bodies nowadays are available, authorities are available which are providing this certificate. You can go for any of the certificate which basically belongs to you, which is suitable for you. You can study on websites and you can decide your career accordingly as well. So first one is the Certified Scrum Developer or CSD. Friend, this certificate is issued by or offered by Scrum Alliance, and the CST certification is aimed at developers, testers, architects, and other team members working in the Scrum environment. Remember, friend, this certificate is purely related to Scrum environment. This certificate focuses on various aspects of software development within the Scrum framework, including collaboration, coding practices, and testing as well. So if you have interest in software development, if you have in career, you want to make your career in the field of Scrum framework as a agile developer, so CSD, Certified Scrum Developer, is one of the choice which is offered by Scrum Alliance for you. Another certificate is the PMI Agile Certified Practitioner or PMI-ACP. If you just see the term PMI, that means it is the certificate issued by PMI, Project Management Institute. PMI is a non-profit based organization and very popular organization for certifications, and this certification is having a broader concepts related to Scrum, Kanban, Lean, and other. So that means its course outline is much more detailed, and while it's include the concepts related to software development as well, whenever we are working in the agile for agile methodologies or agile environments or a Scrum. So a person who is willing to become a software developer and in the field of a Scrum framework, Kanban and Agile. So this certificate would be very helpful for you in your career, and it will add a value as well. Then IC Agile Certified Professional, or ICP. Friend, the International Consortium for Agile provides a range of certifications including ICP, which is intended for software developers and focus on Agile principles, values and practices. IC Agile offers various tracks, and developer track is particularly relevant for those involved in software development. Friend, whenever you want to move to outside the country, like for example UAE, Dubai, or other countries like for example Canada, Australia, USA. So whenever you have a mindset that you want to move from your parent country, so these types of certificates helps you in your career, and it will basically adds recognition that you have the required knowledge as well. Then SAF, or Scaled Agile Framework per Practitioner, or SP. Friend, SAF is an agile framework designed for large scale enterprises. Whenever we want to implement the Scrum framework on large scale, so SAF is basically one of the option, and SAF practitioner certification is suitable for software developers and other team members working within the SAF framework. It covers the fundamental principles and practices of SAF, emphasizing collaboration and continuous improvement. Here, remember, friend, one thing, that it's better to first clear the basic exams related to agile software development. Once you have at least one certificate from the basics, then you can go for SAF practitioner here as well. Then to pursue an agile developer certification, you may want to explore the offerings of organizations like Scrum Alliance, Project Management Institute, International Consortium for Agile, or SAF, depending on your specific agile framework preference or the one adopted by your organization. Here, friend, I will recommend that it's better to always review the websites of these organizations like Scrum, PMI, and like International Consortium for Agile, and always whatever the knowledge is available on those websites, first review that information appropriately, properly, and then go for the exam. Because friend, many times it happens that with the passage of times, things are changing, certification requirements are changing, so it's very important that you have the latest information, and always check the latest information from respective certification bodies or organizations, as certifications and their details can change over time as well.